Today we are going to make tasty pumpkin soup because it's Spooktober. So, first things first. What do we need? Carrots, an onion, tomatoes that look like pumpkins, some broth, cream, garlic, nutmeg, some spices, and of course a pumpkin. I almost forgot. You're also gonna need a big old pot, a knife and a blender wand. So let's start by cutting everything into small pieces. Before cutting the pumpkin, make sure that you remove all the seeds and slimy parts from the inside. If you want, you can roast the seeds afterwards. Cutting all the veggies before is gonna make it easy to blend everything later on. And it also ensures that everything gets toasted evenly after we have put it in our pot with some oil or butter. Make sure to stir a few times to give everything a bit of that nice toastiness. And don't forget to add your tomato pumpkins like I did. Now you can add the garlic and some spices. And after some more toasting and a little bit more stirring, we may finally add the broth to the mixture. In the end, put in some grated nutmeg and let the whole soup simmer for about 30 minutes. After that, get out your blender wand and start blending the soup together. Try to make it smooth but not homogeneous. Just keep in mind that you don't want to chew on anything while eating. And if you want, you can add some cream. But that's it, it's done! Look at how beautiful and tasty this soup looks. I recommend serving it with bread. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See ya!